Tomica Honda Insight Patrol Car. The Tomica Honda Insight Patrol Car was released in March 19, 2011. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has standard Tomica wheels. On the front, it has headlights and Tokyo Metropolitan Police logo. On the side, it has livery of the Tokyo Metropolitan Police. On the back, it has taillights. Dark smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Tomica Disney Cars Flo. The Tomica Disney Cars Flo was released in July 2013. Now, let's unbox the box. The toy includes the main figure of Flo, standard type. It is based on a character from the Disney movie, Cars. Black plastic base. Tomica BMW Z4. The Tomica BMW Z4 was released in January 18, 2020. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has standard Tomica wheels. On the front, it has headlights, BMW logo, and grille. On the back, it has taillights and BMW logo. Smoke window tint. black plastic base. Tomica Premium Nissan GT-R. The Tomica Nissan GT-R was released September 2024. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is silver, and it has detailed plastic wheels. On the front, it has plastic headlights and GT-R logo. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Nissan and GT-R logo. Smoke window tint, black plastic base,